In this video, I'll show you how to delete your ConvertKit account easily. First, go to ConvertKit.com and log in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Settings. On the left sidebar, scroll down and click Account and Billing section. Here, you'll find the option to Delete Account at the bottom of the page. Before deleting, make sure you've downloaded all your subscriber data, forms, and email sequences, because once deleted, everything is gone permanently. Now, click Delete Account. ConvertKit will ask for confirmation. You might also need to type in your account password to verify it's you. After confirming, your account will be permanently deleted and you'll receive a confirmation email from ConvertKit. That's it. Your ConvertKit account is now deleted. If you're switching to another email platform or just taking a break, remember you can also pause your account instead of deleting it. This keeps your data safe for later use. And that's how you can delete your ConvertKit account easily.